एब्सेंट है।
Absent.
साई दिव्यकांत ट्रिपुली साई दिव्यकांत नायक
Absent.
एब्सेंट है। आदिति साहू डबल ई
Absent.
एब्सेंट। अंशुमान नायक
Present.
प्रेजेंट। ओम प्रकाश साहू
Yes. Sir, present, sir.
Present.
प्रेजेंट थिला। अच्छा ठीक अच्छे। ओम प्रकाश साहू वाला तापरे रश्मि रंजन साहू इलेक्ट्रिकल
Yes, sir.
Present.
प्रेजेंट। सौभाग्य पात्र
All present.
सौभाग्य
Present.
अभिषेक आचार्य
Present.
अभिषेक आचार्य
नहीं
प्रेजेंट।
सर absent थिला absent.
आशुतोष दास आशुतोष
Present.
प्रेजेंट। बबुल नायक बबुल नायक प्रेजेंट थिला
Bubble absent.
एब्सेंट है। तापर चिन्मय प्रधान
Chinmay absent. ना present.
प्रेजेंट है। अच्छा चित्तरंजन बेहरा
चित्त present.
प्रेजेंट ना। और तापर गुलशन बरी
Gulshan absent.
एब्सेंट। मलय राउतराय
Present.
मलय राउतराय प्रेजेंट। मोहम्मद मुजाहिद खान एमडी मुजाहिद
Absent.
एब्सेंट है।
सर आज ही प्रेजेंट है।
आज प्रेजेंट अच्छा ठीक अच्छे। काली कहीं एब्सेंट रहिलो 18 तारीख
सर टिके
काम पड़गला। अच्छा ठीक अच्छे। सागरिका स्वाई
Present.
सागरिका सत्यप्रकाश स्वाई 18 तारीख देखिले सत्यप्रकाश स्वाई अच्छा
Absent.
एब्सेंट और एसके फरकान 18 तारीख
Present.
सर आज भी प्रेजेंट।
आज प्रेजेंट ओके।
आज्ञा सर।
स्वस्त्री वंदिता अच्छे 18 तारीख
Absent.
18 तारीख एब्सेंट। अभिषेक बेहरा मेकानिकल
सर 209 प्रेजेंट अछि।
हाँ
209 प्रेजेंट अछि सर। सर 227 सर छाड़ देबे।
ए पुणी आज पड़ो
206 की छाड़ देले।
आज पड़ो मु 18 तारीख टा नौ अभिषेक बेहरा को इप्सिता
Present.
अभिषेक बेहरा प्रेजेंट
Present sir. Abhishek present.
अभिषेक
सर
प्रेजेंट
आज भी प्रेजेंट है।
हाँ आज भी प्रेजेंट ठीक है। आलोक कुमार इप्सिता
Absent.
एब्सेंट। देवाशीष बेहरा
Sir तार total काटी दो नांदी से आसुनी।
अच्छे आसुनी अच्छा काट देली और डेली पकिया आवश्यक नहीं सरला
टोटल नहीं सर।
नहीं की अच्छा अच्छा ठीक है ओके गुड वेरी गुड। देवाशीष बेहरा
बस थिला
थिला देवाशीष बेहरा 54 तापर कहल इमरान मिर्जा
सर प्रेजेंट
18 प्रेजेंट थिला
हाफ रे मोर कटि आइतिला
थिलो ताले ओके
यस सर।
और तापर गला ललित आदित्य इप्सिता
ललित absent.
ललित एब्सेंट थिला
Absent sir.
हां
235 सर 233
तुम सब प्रेजेंट अच्छी कहीं जहाँ पचारनी माने से प्रेजेंट अच्छा है ललित आदित्य एब्सेंट
ओके सर
थिला
ओके
तापर आसो मोहन चुली इप्सिता
Absent.
एब्सेंट
Absent.
ओके तापर रुधि सुंदर रथ
Rudy Sundar present.
प्रेजेंट थिला और स्मृति
सर
रंजन
मेरा
जेना
मनीष गुप्ता
आज्ञा.
स्मृति रंजन जेना देखिल
Smriti absent.
स्मृति एब्सेंट थिला आज शुभम बारिक
Present.
शुभम बारिक प्रेजेंट थिला ओके स्वागत प्रहराज
Agat present.
प्रेजेंट ओके वेरी गुड सो
सर 237
हाँ आज पकेगा ठीक है
सर 221 सर यस कुमार
okay today we'll discuss
सर
about
237
so now all of you
सर 11 सर
hmm. so now all of
बन
you
गया रोशन
go through the pdf
सर
listen today I have not taken the attendance okay
11 बना दीजिए सर 11 सर
अरे मु attendance नेबी व्यस्त होवानी एबे now you see now all of you now go through the pdf I have shared to you okay all of you go through the pdf open the pdf now
सर हम घर कड़े रानी की सर मोहन बजी माने खाली गीत बाजियो
नहीं ठीक है तुम्हें ऑन करो हला
आज्ञा सर
so all of you open the pdf today we'll discuss about module 3 okay module 3 module 3 is what magnetic circuit all of you write in your copy module 3 magnetic circuit clear module 3 magnetic circuit all of you written in your copy भवानी शंकर मिश्र भवानी भवानी you are not responding रोशन कुमार
यस सर
okay are you going through the pdf you open the pdf principle of electromechanism धनंजय धनंजय
यस सर
पीडीएफ टा ओपन कलो
यस सर
कौन लिखा है प्रिंसिपल ऑफ
इलेक्ट्रोमैकेनिज्म
हाँ प्रिंसिपल ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोमैकेनिज्म okay so what mentioned here principle of electromechanism energy available in many form is often converted to and from electrical form because electric energy can be transmitted and controlled simply reliable and efficiently among the energy conversion devices electromechanical energy converter are most important electromechanical energy converter okay so electro कौन लिखा है electromechanical energy converter what does it mean ज्योति अमृत यार माने कौन व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस electromechanical energy converter you see we know the energy conversion device okay energy conversion means electrical energy converted to mechanical energy for example electrical motor what we are doing we are providing electrical and we are getting mechanical yes or no
Yes, sir.
suppose at our home we require water so how to lift up the water from ground level to higher level of the tank how to lift up the water from ground level to higher level of the tank using motor yes or no
Yes, sir.
using motor okay we are lift up the water from ground level to higher level of the tank yes or no rupali
Yes, sir.
rupali ଅଛି
Yes, sir.
rupali absent ସୌରଭ ସୌରଭ ମହାନ୍ତି
Yes, sir.
ତମ ଘରେ ମଟର ଅଛି ନା ପାଣି ଯାଇକି ତଳୁ ଆଣୁଛ
ନାଇଁ sir, motor ଅଛି।
ମଟର ଅଛି ତ ତେଣୁ ମଟର କାମ କ'ଣ
Yes, sir।
ଏଠି ଇଲେକ୍ଟ୍ରିକାଲ ମଟର କାମ ଟୁ lift up the water from ground level to higher level of the tank
Yes,
okay
sir।
that means motor what is the function of motor now that is electrical energy converted to mechanical energy we are providing electrical and we are getting mechanical so electrical motor is a energy conversion device clear electrical motor is
Yes,
a
sir।
energy conversion device ବୁଝିହେଲା ସୌରଭ
Yes, sir।
similarly your generator whenever we require power what we are using the help of generator okay we are converting mechanical energy to electrical energy and we are getting power yes or no
Yes, sir।
suppose there is no power during time of phony ଏବେ ଦେଖ ବାତ୍ୟା ଆସୁଛି suppose okay there is no power what we are doing we are using a generator with the help of generator we can get mechanical energy converted to electrical energy so your generator is also a energy conversion device similarly so many energy conversion devices are there your transformer is a energy conversion device yes or no your transformer is also a energy conversion device in transformer what is happening in transformer electrical energy converted to electrical energy okay in transformer electrical energy converted to electrical energy binuri ବରାଲ
ଆଜ୍ଞା ସାର୍।
ତମ ଘର ପାଖରେ କ'ଣ ମାଇକ୍ ବାଜୁଛି ଆଜି
ନାଇଁ ସାର୍।
ଆଉ କ'ଣ ଗୋଟେ କହିଲ ସାଉଣ୍ଡ ହବ
ସାର୍ ମୁଁ କହିଲି ସାର୍ ଶୁଭମ କହୁଥିଲା
ଶୁଭମ କହୁଥିଲା ଆଚ୍ଛା ଆଚ୍ଛା ଓକେ ଗୁଡ୍ ଏ ଭବାନୀ କୁଆଡ଼େ ଗଲା ଭବାନୀ ଶଙ୍କର ମିଶ୍ର ଭବାନୀ
ସେ ରାଲିରେ ବୁଲୁଛି ସାର୍
ସେ ଖାଲି ଆଟେଣ୍ଡାନ୍ସ
ରାଲିରେ ବୁଲୁଛି ବା
ଓ ରାଲିରେ ବୁଲୁଛି ଆଚ୍ଛା ଆଚ୍ଛା ଗୁଡ୍
ସାର୍ ତାଙ୍କ ବିଜେଡି ତ ସେ ନବୀନ ପଟ୍ଟନାୟକ
ସେ ନବୀନ ପଟ୍ଟନାୟକ ପାଇଁ ବୁଲୁଛ ଆଉ କ୍ୟାମ୍ପେନିଂ କରୁଛ ଆଉ ଆଟେଣ୍ଡାନ୍ସଟା କହିବ ନବୀନ ପଟ୍ଟନାୟକ ପଠାଇଦେବ ହେଲା
ଆଜ୍ଞା ସାର୍
ନବୀନ ପଟ୍ଟନାୟକ ଫୋନ୍ କଲେ ଦେବା ଆଟେଣ୍ଡାନ୍ସ ଆଉ ନା କ'ଣ ଓକେ
ଆଜ୍ଞା ସାର୍
ଆଜି ତାହେଲେ ଭବାନୀ ଆବସେଣ୍ଟ ଅଛି ତାହେଲେ ଏବେ ସେ ଇଲେକ୍ସନ୍ ମାନେ ଆଉ ସେ ଆସିବନି ଆଉ ଏ ଆଦିତ୍ୟ ଶଙ୍କର ବେହେରା କାହିଁ ଆସୁନି ଆଦିତ୍ୟ ଶଙ୍କର ବେହେରା ସିଭିଲ
କଂଗ୍ରେସ
ସେ ବି ବିଜେଡି କ୍ୟାମ୍ପେନିଂ କରୁଛୁ ସେ କଂଗ୍ରେସ ସବୁ ଦଳର ଆମର ଅଛନ୍ତି ପିଲା ଆଉ ଆଉ ଏ ଅନୁପରଞ୍ଜନ ବେହେରା
ସେ ସାର୍ ବିଜେଡି
ସେ ବିଜେଡି
ସେ ଶୋଇଛି
ଦେହ ଭଲ ନାହିଁ ଆଚ୍ଛା ଆଉ ଏ ବିଶ୍ୱରଞ୍ଜନ ରଣା କେବେ ଆସୁନି
ସାର୍ ସେ ଆସିନି ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ସେମିଷ୍ଟାରଠୁ ଆସିନି
ଆସିନି ହଉ ଏ ପରୀକ୍ଷା ବେଳକୁ ଏକାବେଳେ ଆସିବ ଆଉ
ଦହିବରା ଦୋକାନ ନେଇଛି ତ ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ। ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ତାକୁ ଆଉ ପରୀକ୍ଷା ବେଳକୁ ଆଣି ଦହିବରା ଦୋକାନ ଆମ କଲେଜ ଆଗରେ ପକେଇଦେବ ହେଲା, ଆମେ ସବୁ ଯାଇକି ଖାଇବା ଆଉ।
ଆମର ବା ବାଲେଶ୍ୱର, ସେଠି ତାଙ୍କର ବାରିପଦାରେ ମଟନ ଘୁଗୁନି ବିକି।
ହଁ କି, ଆଚ୍ଛା ଆଚ୍ଛା। ଆଉ ଜଗଦୀଶ ପ୍ରସାଦ ଖିଲାର ଅଛି ଆଜି, ଜଗଦୀଶ
ସିଏ ନାହିଁ, ତାଙ୍କର ତାର ଖଣି ମାଲିକ।
ସେ ଖଣି ମାଫିଆ ସିଏ ଆଇଁ
ଆଜ୍ଞା,
ପଥର, ଆଚ୍ଛା ଆଚ୍ଛା। ତାଙ୍କ ଘର ଏଇ କେଉଁଝର କି ବଡ଼ବିଲ ସେଇପଟେ ନା ତାଙ୍କ ଯାଜପୁର?
ନାଇଁ ସାର୍, ଆମ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ଜାରକା ଏଇଠି ଅଛି ତ,
ଏଇ ପାଖାପାଖି। ଓକେ। ଜୀବନ ଜ୍ୟୋତି ଜେନା? ଜୀବନ ଅଛି, ଆଚ୍ଛା। ଜୀବନ ନଥିଲେ କିଛି ନାହିଁ, ନାଇଁ? ତେଣୁ ଜୀବନ ସବୁ ଟାଇମ୍ ରହୁଛି ଆଉ। ଜୀବନ ଜ୍ୟୋତି, ତେଣୁ ଏନର୍ଜି କନଭର୍ସନ୍ ଡିଭାଇସ୍ ଆମେ କ'ଣ କ'ଣ ଜାଣିଲେ? ଗୋଟେ ହେଲା ଜେନେରେଟର, ମଟର, ଟ୍ରାନ୍ସଫର୍ମର, generator, motor, transformer. So these are all energy conversion device by which electrical energy converted to mechanical energy, mechanical energy converted to electrical energy, electrical energy converted to electrical energy. So various forms of energy conversion we know. Okay. So for this energy conversion, what we require? We require magnetic field. Magnetic field means what? Magnetic field means we can find the presence of flux. If there is no magnet, no flux. Okay. Just like you see your electric current, how electric current is flowing in a electric circuit, being some source is there. If electric field is there, so electric current is flowing. Yes or no? How to define an electric field? Who can define? Who can define electric field? Radip Mohanty. Who can define electric field?
The surface around which.
Yes.
So the surface around which electric charge can experience a force is called electric field.
Very good, excellent. Okay. So the area, area under which a charge experiences a force. The region or area around which a charge can experience a force, that is known as electric field. Clear? The region or area around which a charge can experience a force, that is known as electric field. So electric field is mane, so current is there. Okay, electric current is nothing but the time derivative of charge, I equals to dq by dt. Similarly, magnetic field is mane flux achi. Okay, what is magnetic field? How to define magnetic field? Who can say?
The surface of space around which the magnetic pole can experience a force is called magnetic field.
Okay, very good. Svetalin Priyadashini. Svetalin.
Sir.
Magnetic field tal kono? The region or area around which a pole can experience a force. Okay, the region or surface or area around which a pole can experience a force, that is your magnetic field. If there is magnetic field, so presence of flux. Okay, if magnetic field is there, so flux is there. If no magnetic field, no flux is there. Subhasmita present today. Shubham Kanungu. Shubham absent. So in electric field, Shubham also. Okay.
Again, sir.
So how to differentiate between your magnetic field and electric field? Okay. The area around which a pole can experience a force is known as magnetic field. The area or region around which a charge can experience a force, that is your electric field. Okay. If electromotive force is there, EMF, that drives current in electric circuit. If Magnetomotive force is there, mmf, magnetic field माने mmf is there, magnetomotive force, okay, whose function is drives flux in a magnetic circuit, okay. तेणु magnet अच्छी माने so flux is, so we know the properties of magnet. What is the properties of magnet? Lines of flux always flow from north pole to south pole. Here you see magnetism, okay, 7.1. The word magnet comes from the ancient Greek city of Magnesia, the modern town of Mania, okay, in western Turkey, where the natural magnets called lodestones were found. Okay. The power of a magnet by which it attracts certain substances is called magnetism. Okay. You see, if magnet is there, then that can attract iron particles. Okay. So, materials which are attracted by a magnet called magnetic material. ताले magnetic material टा कौन? What is magnetic material? The material which are attracted by the magnet. Magnetic material, suppose iron. Iron is a magnetic material. Okay. If I will take wood, can that attract? Wood can attract by the magnet? Katho.
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
So that is not magnetic material.
No, sir.
Then magnetic material कौन? Which are attracted by a magnet. Clear? Okay. Rupali absent. Subhasmita absent.
Yes, sir.
Subhasmita present. Last class absent, eh?
Sir, Rupali present.
Rupali Sahu. Okay, present. You are not responding, Rupali. Mobile lago ni tower.
Sir, I was saying, but you can't listen me.
Oh, okay. You tell loudly, okay. Because I am at the old age, so I am not responding.
Yes, sir.
You tell loudly, okay. So what is magnetic material? What is magnetic material? Are you going through the PDF? Rupali.
Yes, sir.
कौन लिखा है देखो, मैग्नेटिज्म कौन और मैग्नेटिक मटेरियल. You will find the question like this. Okay, differentiate between your magnetism and magnetic material. मैग्नेटिज्म कौन लिखा है 7.1 ले देखो, पढ़ी लो रूपाली.
The word magnet comes from the ancient Greek city of Magnesia.
तौला पैराग्राफ देखो. The power of a magnet.
Sir, the power of a magnet by which it attracts certain substances is called magnetism, and the materials which are attracted by a magnet are called magnetic materials.
Yes, very good, excellent. So now you see the power of magnet by which it attracts. Okay, that is the properties of magnet. Okay, it attracts certain substances which known as magnetism. Okay. And what is magnetic material? The material which are attracted by a magnet are called magnetic material. For example, simple example we can take iron particles. Okay, if we put a magnet there, okay, suppose a magnet is there having north pole, south pole is there, and if we keep some iron particle, okay, then all these will be attracted towards the magnet. Okay. That is the properties of magnet. Another thing we can find here, some characteristics are there for a magnet. Okay. What are the different characteristics? Sethalin Priyadarshini.
Yes, sir.
पढ़ी लो कौन characteristics लिखा है. A magnet has, तुम्हें ओपन देखो जो PDF टा सेतलिन
मोर PDF टा
ओपन होनी आओ खेतीश कुंटिया खेतीश ट्रिपुली अच्छी खेतीश एब्सेंट प्रत्याशा मिश्र
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Have you opened the PDF?
Yes, sir.
You tell the properties. What are the characteristics of the magnet? Pratyasha.
Sir, first point is a magnet has two poles, that is North Pole and South Pole, and the pole strength of two poles are the same. The second point is the two poles of a magnet cannot be isolated, that is separated out. The
Okay.
third point is because magnets, like poles, repel and unlike poles attract. Fourth point, magnet always attract iron and its alloy. Fifth point, magnetic field in turn exert forces on other moving charges and current carrying conductors. Sixth point, magnet can be magnetically fluctuated. Seventh point, magnet can be demagnetized by beating mechanical charge, heating, and with lapse of time. Eighth, it produces magnetism in other materials by induction. Ninth, the magnetism of materials is mainly due to the strain motion of its electrons. Last point, on bending a magnet, its pole strength remains unchanged, but its magnetic moment changes.
Okay, very good. Excellent. Okay, that means these are the important properties or characteristics of a magnet. Okay, that means a magnet must have two poles. One is your north pole and south pole. Okay, and while we are defining that magnetic field, we are giving stress on pole because we can find the pole strength. North pole means pole strength is there, so south pole is pole strength is there. Okay, so two poles, north pole and south pole, and two poles of magnet cannot be isolated, separated out. Okay, north means north, south means south. Okay, and always lines of flux, it is the properties of magnet, always lines of flux from north to south pole. You see, when a current flowing in electric circuit, current is actually flowing. Okay, when a current is flowing, while a current is flowing in electric circuit, what is electric circuit? Sheikh Adil, electric circuit कहले कौन बुझिबा? Electric circuit कहले कौन बुझिबा? Electric circuit is nothing but a closed conducting path through which current can flow or intend to flow. Yes or
Yes,
no?
sir.
Suppose
Yes,
one
sir.
tube light is there at your home. Okay, so current is flowing through that conductor or wire, so tube light is glowing. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes,
That
sir.
means current is actually flowing. Yes or no? But
Yes,
flux
sir.
is not actually flowing. Although we are saying
Yes, sir.
lines of flux from north pole to south pole, okay, lines of flux from north pole to south pole, direction is there, okay, but these are actually not flowing, rather the influence can realized. Okay, that influence can realized,
Yes, sir.
but this is not actually flowing. So flux in magnetic circuit is analogous to current in electric circuit. Clear, Adil?
Yes,
Flux
sir.
in magnetic circuit is analogous to current in electric circuit. Aditi Sahu, Aditi present?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So flux in magnetic circuit is analogous to current in electric circuit. So if we write E equals to IR in a electric circuit applying Ohm's law, what you are writing? V equals to IR. E equals to IR or not? Where R is the resistance of resistor. Okay. So due to EMF, okay, we are getting current because function of EMF is drives current in electric circuit, and R here is the constant proportionality known as resistance of resistor. Similarly, in a magnetic circuit, okay, Due to EMF, current is flowing. Due to MMF, magnetomotive force. What is that? Magnetomotive force. MMF. MMF काम ताले कौन हो? यदि EMF drives current in electric circuit, similarly in a magnetic circuit, MMF drives flux. Okay, MMF drives flux. How could you know MMF drives flux? Because in a transformer core having primary and secondary, okay, primary current is flowing, so MMF is produced, magnetomotive force, okay, due to MMF, okay, that drives flux in a magnetic circuit, which can flow in clearly defined path. So in this way, okay, we can compare with a magnetic circuit with electric circuit. Okay, a magnetic circuit can be comparable with a electric circuit. Okay, magnet can be magnetically saturated. You see, suppose there is a iron bar. Okay, iron bar if placed in the field of solenoid, once current is flowing means, okay, your magnetizing force increases, so corresponding magnetic field strength also increases. Okay, H increases, B increases, H increases, B increases. Okay, so we will find a point, even if after increasing the value of current, but value of B remain constant, so that we can say point of saturation. Okay, so magnet can be magnetically saturated. Magnet can be demagnetized. Okay, magnet can be demagnetized by heating, okay, or mechanical jerks, etc. It produces magnetism in other materials by induction. Okay, suppose a transformer, okay, in transformer what is happening? Produces magnetism on other materials by induction, by your okay, flowing the current in primary based on self induction as well as mutual induction, EMF induced in secondary of a transformer. So based on by induction also produces magnetism. Okay, the magnetism of material is mainly due to spin motion of its electrons. Okay, so in this way we can differentiate between your magnetic field and electric field. Okay, so magnetic field, how to define? Who can say? The region or area around which a pole can experience a force. Okay, चेतना ज्योति आज absent अच्छे. गौरव प्रसाद दास.
Yes sir.
ताले केमिति मैग्नेटिक फील्ड डिफाइन करियो आमे? हाउ टू
सर मैग्नेटिक फील्ड होची जोटी माने पोलटा मैग्नेटिक फोर्स माने अक्वायर करथो सेठी ता भीतर माने जो रीजन भीतर.
ओके, ताले केमिति डिफाइन करिबा? द रीजन और एरिया अराउंड व्हिच ए पोल कैन एक्सपीरियंस ए फोर्स, दैट इज नोन एज मैग्नेटिक फील्ड. सो मैग्नेटिक फील्ड अच्छी माने कोन हो? फ्लक्स इज अच्छी. ओके, if there is magnetic field, there is presence of flux. So MMF, magnetomotive force, okay, drives flux in magnetic circuit. EMF drives current in electric circuit, MMF drives flux in magnetic circuit. Okay, flux, you see, current is actually flowing in a electric circuit, but flux is not actually flowing, rather the influence can realize. Rashmi Ranjan Sahu, electrical. Rashmi.
Yes sir.
हाँ, बुझी पारलो तो फ्लक्स टा कौन होची? फ्लक्स और करंट केमिति डिफरेंशिएट करिवा? हाउ फ्लक्स एनालॉगस टू करंट? फ्लक्स इन मैग्नेटिक सर्किट is analogous to current in electric circuit. Current is actually flowing in a circuit, but flux is not actually flowing, rather the influence can realized. Okay, सौभाग्य पात्र, सौभाग्य absent. तुषार रंजन साहू, इलेक्ट्रिकल.
Yes sir.
तुषार तुषार पढ़ापढ़ी चली घरे
आज्ञा सर
okay very good now you see now come to your Coulomb's law of magnetic force Coulomb's law you have already studied in plus 2 but still okay you require this we know force of attraction or repulsion between two poles m1 m2 you see in figure 7.1 pole strength having m1 and m2 so force of attraction or repulsion between two poles is directly proportional to the product of their pole strength A proportional to m1 m2 okay and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them that is d square बुझीगला तो सर
yes sir
ताले f टा proportional to m1 m2 एटा as per which law according to Coulomb's law okay Coulomb's law okay force of attraction or repulsion between two poles attraction repulsion हमें कहीं कहते because opposite pole attract each other same pole repel yes or no so force of attraction or repulsion between two poles is directly proportional to their product of their pole strength inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them so F proportional to m1 m2 by d square or F equals to k m1 m2 by d square where k is the constant of proportionality okay whose value depends upon the surrounding of the medium value of k k रे value एटी केते 1 by 4 pi mu value of k is what 1 by 4 pi mu mu टा कोन permeability mu is what permeability of the medium okay value of mu equals to mu 0 mu r value of mu equals to mu 0 mu r अभिषेक आचार्य अभिषेक
yes sir
तुम लास्ट क्लास कहीं एब्सेंट रहिलो
sir last class मोर जणे श्राद्ध अटेंड करथला जेते
अच्छा अच्छा ठीक है ओके अच्छा अभिषेक मते को हेबे व्हाट इज म्यू
yes sir
एटी म्यू टा हमें कोन ले म्यू टा हला परमियाबिलिटी ऑफ द मीडियम हला
yes sir
ताले म्यू जीरो टा कोन ना एब्सोल्यूट परमियाबिलिटी ऑफ द मीडियम ओके म्यू जीरो इज योर एब्सोल्यूट परमियाबिलिटी ऑफ द मीडियम okay
yes sir
and mu r is the relative permeability of the medium
yes sir
so value of mu r ta kon कहया relative permeability which can
yes,
be
sir.
defined as the ratio between absolute permeability of any medium to absolute permeability of air or vacuum or space अभिषेक बुझियला
yes sir
mu r ta kon कहली
mu r का होची relative permeability of the medium जोटा
relative permeability how to define relative permeability of any medium is defined as the ratio between absolute permeability of any medium to absolute permeability of air or vacuum or space clear
yes sir
mu r ta hala kono mu by mu 0 ताले mu ta kono what is mu
mu टा होची permeability of the medium
permeability of any medium absolute permeability of any medium but mu 0 is absolute permeability of vacuum or space or air whose value is how much 4 pi into 10 to the power minus 7 Henry per meter clear
yes sir
value of mu 0 is always constant whose value is 4 pi into 10 to the power minus 7 Henry per meter अर्णदा शंकर त्रिपाठी अर्णदा एब्सेंट
अच्छी सर अच्छी
आउता कहीं पार्टी शुभुनी अर्णदा
सर
खाऊची खाई क्लास करची आशुतोष दास आस्तुष कुआडे गला एब्सेंट बबुल नायक एब्सेंट भवानी शंकर बड़ एब्सेंट
Yes, sir.
भवानी
Present,
प्रेजेंट
sir.
प्रेजेंट ओके भवानी कुह म्यू आर टा कौन कुह
Yes, sir.
व्हाट इज म्यू आर तुम ये पीडीएफ टा देखुछ ना नहीं
सर पीडीएफ देखुची आपण पुणी जो मीट को गली कहली
हाँ? कोठी गलो
सर गूगल मीट को पुणी आसिकी ऑन करी कहया पड़ला
ओहो तुम तो गूगल मीट
सर म्यू आर होचे रिलेटिव परमेबिलिटी ऑफ मीडियम
हाँ यस relative permeability of the medium which is defined as the ratio between absolute permeability of any medium to absolute permeability of air or vacuum or space ताले mu zero टा कौन absolute permeability of air or vacuum or space whose value remain constant which is 4 pi into 10 to the power minus 7 Henry per meter ओके चिन्मय प्रधान
यस सर
ओके म्यू जीरो रो वैल्यू केते हाउ मच द वैल्यू ऑफ म्यू जीरो तुम पीडीएफ टा देखुनो प्राय देखुछ
सर 4 pi into 10 to the power minus 7
4 pi into 10 to the power minus 7 यूनिट कौन अछि
s by m
एच बाई माने हेनरी पर मीटर ओके चित्तरंजन बेहेरा चित्तरंजन अच्छी एब्सेंट गौरव बेहेरा
प्रेजेंट सर
गौरव so we know about your Coulomb's law okay Coulomb's law of magnetic force is what Coulomb's law of magnetic force कौन गौरव force of attraction or repulsion between two poles is directly proportional to their pole strength inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them okay magnetic field come to the magnetic field गौरव magnetic field देखो magnetic field देखो गोटे north pole south pole is there you see how the lines of flux from north pole to south pole okay this is the properties of magnet okay this is the properties of magnetic field around a magnet is represented by imaginary lines okay these are called lines of force okay imaginary okay actually flux is you see current is actually flowing in a circuit but flux is not actually flowing rather the influence can realized okay so these we can say imaginary line clear so we can find the magnetic flux if magnetic field is there we can find the magnetic flux so magnetic flux means number of magnetic lines of force come out of the north pole or enter the south pole of a magnet it is represented by phi north pole baharibo south re pahunchibo nahi lines of flux from north pole to south pole and this can be represented by phi unit of phi is what Weber bujhilo gaurav unit of flux is what Weber Weber na shunicho have you heard the term gaurav
yes sir
shunicho to okay Gulshanbari absent Ipsita absent
Nine sir present.
Ipsita present Ipsita absent कहला बेले जोर चिले कहू जे पूरा एकदम तार सब क्लास प्रेजेंट सो
सर देखो जो प्रॉक्सी पकु
ना ना प्रॉक्सी कोन एमती पकेबो ता पाटर आउ जण के पकेबो केमती प्रॉक्सी माने you see all classes she is present and whenever I am asking she is responding some of you are not responding I am repeating twice thrice ମୁଁ ଚାଲା କରି ଏପଟ କେତେବେଳେ ପକାଉଛୁ ସେପଟରୁ ଲାଷ୍ଟ ଆଡ଼ୁ ପକାଉଛୁ ତାମାନେ ଅଲ୍ ଅଫ୍ ୟୁ ମଷ୍ଟ ଆଟେଣ୍ଟିଭ୍ ଆଣ୍ଡ ହ୍ୱାଟ୍ ଏଭର୍ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ वी आर discussing all are in recording mode I will share you तमाने यू विल बी बेनिफिटेड ओके तमें किंतु कौन कर तमें आई एम ओके कॉलिंग टू वन बाय वन यू आर नॉट रेस्पॉन्डिंग लास्ट को सर सी प्रेजेंट थिला तार नेटवर्क प्रोब्लेम थिला याकर कौन नेटवर्क प्रोब्लेम रोनी ठक पिला जी सी सब चेष्टा करियो ट्राई टू एस्केप ओके एनीवे सो नाउ यू सी मैग्नेटिक फ्लक्स टा एटा केते 7 पॉइंट इप्सिता
7.4
हाँ 7.4 देख लो 7.4 से सांगे सांगे कहला कहीं से पीडीएफ टा ऑन कर रखी कहूँ आ भर अधा पिला पचारे से कहीपर मलय राउतराय मलय इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स मलय अच्छी ये मैग्नेटिक फ्लक्स डेंसिटी कौन लिखाई कह मैग्नेटिक फ्लक्स डेंसिटी 7.3 ना 4 5 कौटा मैग्नेटिक फ्लक्स डेंसिटी बी
सर 7.5
yes very good so Molo is also responding all of you are very good but sometimes okay you are disturbing so magnetic flux density how to define magnetic flux density defined as the flux passing per unit area through a plane at right angles to the flux the normal flux per unit area of cross section ताल b टा नबा कोन 5/a फ्लक्स डेंसिटी b इज 5/a 5 रो यूनिट है वेबर a इज मीटर स्क्वायर सो वेबर पर मीटर स्क्वायर दैट इज योर फ्लक्स डेंसिटी ओके नाउ कम टू मैग्नेटिक इंटेंसिटी और मैग्नेटाइजिंग फोर्स ओके मैग्नेटिक इंटेंसिटी और मैग्नेटाइजिंग फोर्स ओके you see magnetic intensity or magnetizing force we can take by h is also mmf per unit length what is mmf magnetomotive force mmf टा कौन हम प्रोडक्ट ऑफ नंबर ऑफ टर्न्स इनटू करंट mmf is product of number of turns into current suppose a coil is there a ring is there okay ये जो ट्रांसफार्मर कोर अच्छे ओके सो वी आर वाइंडिंग ओवर द कोर सो n नंबर ऑफ टर्न्स I amount of current flowing so mmf will produce mmf magnetomotive force whose function is drives flux in magnetic circuit which can flow in clearly defined path mmf just like we are writing emf equals to IR we can write mmf equals to phi s R टा कौन रेजिस्टेंस अपोज द फ्लो ऑफ करंट सिमिलरली हियर S इज द रिलक्टेंस व्हिच अपोजेस द फ्लो ऑफ फ्लक्स इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किट रे कौन रेजिस्टेंस अपोजेस द फ्लो ऑफ करंट बट इन मैग्नेटिक सर्किट दैट इज रिलक्टेंस R रिलक्टेंस S व्हिच अपोजेस द फ्लो ऑफ फ्लक्स इन मैग्नेटिक सर्किट यस और नो ताले reluctance in magnetic circuit is analogous to resistance in electric circuit okay मृत्युंजय दानी
yes sir
तेणु flux in magnetic circuit is analogous to current in electric circuit okay similarly resistance function is oppose the flow of current so resistance in electric circuit is analogous to reluctance in magnetic circuit okay एमिति हम सब कंपेयर करिवा बुझलो सपोज इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स रो हमर 21 के आसला अभिषेक आचार्य सो अभिषेक आचार्य इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स ओके इज एनालॉगस टू अभिषेक बेहरा ऑफ मैकेनिकल कहीं यार फास्ट रोल नंबर मैकेनिकल अभिषेक बेहरा ये अभिषेक आचार्य ये सब नो तेणु ये आम कंपेयर करवा ओके नाउ कम टू योर परमियाबिलिटी आम जानले परमियाबिलिटी ऑफ ए मटेरियल इज डिफाइंड एज इट्स कंडक्टिंग पावर फॉर मैग्नेटिक लाइन्स ऑफ फोर्स द ग्रेटर द परमियाबिलिटी ऑफ ए मटेरियल the greater is its conducting power for magnetic lines of force Okay, so it is represented by mu. Mu is what? Mu 0 into mu r. Mu is what? Absolute permeability of any medium. Mu 0 टा कौन? Absolute permeability of air or vacuum or space, and mu r is the relative permeability. Okay, so mu r is your relative permeability of the material, and value of mu 0 is what? Yes Kumar, mu 0 टा कौन? What is mu 0? पीयूष इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स.
यस सर. यस सर.
हाँ बोलो, म्यू 0 क्या है?
सर म्यू 0 एब्सोल्युटली परमेबिलिटी ऑफ
यस,
मटेरियल.
एब्सोल्यूट परमिएबिलिटी ऑफ एयर और वैक्यूम और स्पेस. क्लियर?
और यस सर.
रश्मिरंजन साहू इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स. रश्मिरंजन साहू.
यस सर.
रश्मि.
यस सर.
रश्मिरंजन कुह कौन म्यू 0 कौन? व्हाट इज म्यू 0? Absolute permeability of air or vacuum or space whose value remain constant, whose value is mu 0 equals to 4 pi into 10 to the power minus 7 Henry per meter. Now come to relation between B and H. Okay, Sagarika Swai. Sagarika.
Sir, absent ଅଛି.
Sagarika absent. Okay, good. So Sajan Kumar. साजन कुमार है क्या? ओके, साजन कुमार.
yes sir.
ओके, गुड, वेरी गुड. सो नाउ कम टू रिलेशन बिटवीन बी एंड एच. ओके, व्हाट इज बी हियर? बी इज द मैग्नेटिक फ्लक्स डेंसिटी. ओके, बी इज योर मैग्नेटिक फ्लक्स डेंसिटी. व्हाट इज एच? एच इज योर मैग्नेटाइजिंग फोर्स. H is your magnetizing force. Okay, so here B proportional to H. That means by the application of magnetizing force we can get a stronger magnetic field. Are you getting my point? Due to the application of magnetizing force you can get a stronger magnetic field. Suppose, have you seen your long jump etc. during your sports? Run, race, have you seen or not? Sajan?
Yes sir. Seen sir.
Seen though. You will find your friends are encouraging your friends by clapping. Yes or no?
Yes.
By clapping,
Yes, sir, by
clapping hand.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so they are encouraging. Once they are encouraging means, so those are competitors, they are moving forward. Yes or no? So accordingly here, due to the application of magnetizing force we can get a stronger magnetic field. So B proportional to H, or we can write B equals to mu H, where mu is the constant of proportionality known as permeability of the medium. Okay, and
Yes,
value of mu equals to mu 0 mu r. Value of mu equals to mu 0 mu r. Mu 0 is what? Absolute permeability of air or vacuum or space. And
Yes.
mu r is what? Relative permeability of the medium, which is defined as the ratio between absolute permeability of absolute permeability of any medium to absolute permeability of air or vacuum or space. Okay, so
Yes,
if we
sir.
take the relative permeability of air, what you can find? In place of any medium, if we choose the medium as air, so air medium to air medium is 1. Yes or no?
Yes sir.
So
Yes, sir.
relative permeability for air medium is unity. Clear?
Yes sir.
Okay, very good. Satyaprakash Swai. Satyaprakash absent. Sheikh Furkan.
Yes sir.
Now we come to molecular theory of magnetism. Okay, what is the theory behind this? Here you see in figure A, okay, these are all not aligned, but next figure you see figure B, okay, north south pole, south pole, north, SN accordingly. That means toward nearer to north, south is there. Yes or no? So due to the application of magnetic field we can find these are all aligned. Okay, before that these are not aligned. Okay, according to this theory, molecules of all substances are basically magnet, each having a north pole, south pole. Every substance consists of a very large number of teeny magnet called molecular magnets. Okay, before a piece of iron has been magnetized, the molecular magnet lie in disorderly position. Okay, so that poles of the molecular magnet neutralize each other. Hence iron piece does not show any magnetism, that is no poles and developed at the end. So due to the application of magnetizing force, while you will apply magnetizing force, you find domains are aligned. Okay, domains are aligned. Next come to your magnetic circuit. Magnetic circuit. Sumant Barik. सुमंत सुमंत है क्या? नहीं. स्वस्त्री वंदिता दास एब्सेंट. अभिषेक बेहरा मैकेनिकल.
यस सर.
एबे देखो हाउ वी कैन एनालाइज ए मैग्नेटिक सर्किट. मैग्नेटिक सर्किट मीन्स व्हाट? क्लोज्ड पाथ फॉलोड बाय द मैग्नेटिक फ्लक्स इज कॉल्ड ए मैग्नेटिक सर्किट. जेमती इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किट इज ए क्लोज कंडक्टिंग पाथ थ्रू व्हिच करंट कैन फ्लो. सिमिलरली मैग्नेटिक सर्किट क्लोज्ड पाथ फॉलोड बाय मैग्नेटिक फ्लक्स. इट देखो. ओके, दिस इज द एग्जांपल ऑफ ए ट्रांसफार्मर. वाइंडिंग्स आर देयर. ओके, सो दिस इज n number of turns. फिगर 7.5 देखो सुमंत. सुमंत एपट उभा नहीं गला. अभिषेक
सर मते कहउतले.
अभिषेक
यस सर.
अभिषेक देखो.
यस सर.
एटा ट्रांसफार्मर को.
ट्रांसफार्मर नहीं सर,
एब्सेंट अच्छे. ओके, सो दिस इज योर आयरन कोर. नहीं.
यस सर.
देखो वाइंडिंग्स आर wound over the iron core and I amount of current flowing having n number of turns, so mmf will be produced. What is mmf? Product of number of turns, amount of current flowing through that, mmf. So due to that mmf, we know function of mmf is drives flux in magnetic circuit which can flow in clearly defined path. it all magnetic material. देखो defined path माने P to Q, Q to R, R to S, S to P. In this way completing path or not?
Yes sir.
So it कौन कहबा उठे? This is a magnetic circuit. The closed path followed by magnetic flux. The closed path followed by the magnetic flux is a magnetic circuit. So a magnetic circuit provides a path for magnetic flux. Just an electric circuit provides path for flow of electric current. Okay. So electric circuit ro काम कौन? EMF रो काम होला drives current in electric circuit. So MMF काम होला drives flux in magnetic circuit. So this is magnetic circuit. So flux is flowing. Actually flux is not flowing. एबे देखो एटा डॉट डॉट मार्क दिया है ना नहीं. P to Q, Q to R. Is it dot dot or not? नहीं.
Yes,
that
dot,
means
dot
yes. That means this is not actually flowing. Rather the influence can realized. That means flux is flow from P to Q, Q to R, R to S, S to P. But initially this flux developed at this माने कौन primary having n number of turns and I amount of current flowing. Are you getting my point? N number of turns
yes,
and I amount of current flowing, that is MMF. है MMF रो काम है magnetomotive force whose function is drives flux in magnetic circuit which can flow in clearly defined path. सेठी जिमती करंट को अपोज करूला कौन सेटा रेजिस्टेंस. Resistance is the property of material by virtue of which it opposes the flow of current. Similarly, here reluctance which opposes the flow of flux. Debasis Behra. Debasis.
Yes, sir.
Mechanical. Okay, good, very good. Debasis. So, ଯେମିତି electric circuit रे resistance oppose the flow of current, similarly in magnetic circuit reluctance opposes the flow of flux. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So flux in magnetic circuit is analogous to current in electric circuit. Similarly, reluctance in magnetic circuit is analogous to resistance in कौन इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किट. देवाशीष बुझी होची ना नहीं?
Yes, sir.
ओके.
हेलो सर.
हाँ
सर नेक्स्ट क्लास से जाकर
हाँ नेक्स्ट क्लास डिस्कस करिया. और तो अच्छी 2-3 मिनट व्यस्त कहीं जे जीवा कथा यू कैन क्विट.
तो 45 रे सर.
सर क्लास में सॉरी और
ओ सॉरी वाला टाइम है. ओके ओके ओके. आई फॉरगॉटन माने से जो मझे क्लास थी मुझे भूल जाइए. ओके एनीवे सो नेक्स्ट क्लास अगेन विल डिस्कस. ओके ऑल दिस यू राइट इन योर क्लास कॉपी. ओके व्हाट एवर द पेज आई शेयर टू यू एवरीथिंग यू मस्ट राइट इन द क्लास कॉपी. क्लास कॉपी रे जहार नथिबो इंटरनल आई विल सेंड 0 सिंपली 0. यू टू शेयर मी द पीडीएफ. आई विल चेक द फर्स्ट पीडीएफ देन ओनली मार्क विल awarded. Are you getting my point? So
Yes, sir.
everything whatever that I am sharing to you write in your class copy. ଆଉ ଯେଉଁ ଦିନ ଯାହା ପଢ଼ା ହେଲା ରେଡ୍ ପେନ୍ରେ ଲେଖିଦେଇଥିବ ଏଇ କ୍ଲାସ୍ ଅମକେ ଦିନ ହେଲା. ବୁଝିଲ? ଓକେ.
Yes,
ସୋ
sir.
now we will conclude. Okay, you share me the attendance. Okay.
sir
Binori ନହେଲେ ଇପ୍ସିତା any of you can share me the attendance. କ'ଣ ହେଲା? Any problem?
जो पीडीएफ पढ़छन्ती कोन सब लिखिया ना डेफिनेशन और तार फार्मूला बस
जोड़ा सब दरकार प्राय ऑलमोस्ट सब तो लिखा हो. एटा भलो इजी अछि तुम परीक्षा रे आसीबो.
मैंने
ओनली 10-12 पेजेस आई एम शेयरिंग. और केते पेज की हैं
सर मैंने भी मैग्नेटिक फ्लक्स रखल था डेफिनेशन नंबर ऑफ कोन जो मैग्नेटिक लाइन पासिंग थ्रू यूनिट क्रॉस सेक्शन एरिया और ता फार्मूला सेति लिखले चलिबो.
लेख तार यूनिट लेखिबो
Yes, sir.
जति दरकार सब लेख हला.
यस सर.
ओके ओके नाउ विल कंक्लूड. थैंक यू ऑल. गुड डे.
थैंक यू सर.
ओके वेलकम.